What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and look at this that I just got from Ringke. That's right, a company called Ringke, and they sent this over as a review kit. Now, Ringke, as we all know, makes cases for mostly every cell phone. They sent this over to me, special gift from us to you for the VIP. I guess I'm a very important person's. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, see what's inside, and I'm gonna let you guys experience this with me. Got the over top camera today. First time I've ever kind of used this kind of style, but let's check it out if you guys are ready. There we go. And there you go. Ringke, you're amazing. Thank you. So are you. Oh, look at that. Thank you, Android Stud. Hey, we just wanted to let you know just how much we appreciate the time and effort you put into your reviews. A huge thank you from us to you, from Ringke. Man, that's really nice of them. Really, really kind of them. So let's see what we got in the package. And folks, what we got here are some Note Ultra cases. That's right, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. That is the clear case. And then we got the Fusion matte case, clear. Then we have the black for the Note Ultra. So we got some good stuff here. And we got the ever popular Camo. That's right. And then we got the clear, another clear. And then we have a regular black, which is gonna look good on the black. And then let's put those to the side. We got like a little tassel type deal so you can hang on your phone, rock around. And then we got some other heavy duty tassels here for your phone or keys or whatever you want to put on there. Ooh, this is nice. This is a Ringke Type-C to HDMI cable, which that will come in handy for different things when you're plugging stuff in, maybe even the iPad or my camera. And then we got some pen holders, Ringke pen holders. Those are so that you can lock your pen, and then the Galaxy Note Ultra screen protector. So man, I wanted to thank them so much for sending this out. That's pretty cool. Then sending them out. I like this over top camera, by the way. Let's check this out. I'm curious what these pen holders are for. Check this out. I guess you just glue this to something, and then you can put your pen there on the side here, maybe your computer or something like that. That's pretty cool. Kind of neat that they're able to do that. But man, Ringke, thank you so much for sending this over. I really appreciate it. That is super cool that you took the time to recognize me as a creator. I'll definitely put this in a little frame or something. That's kind of nice. Thank you so much. But thanks so much for watching the video. Ringke sending this over, a little review kit with some Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G cases that is going to be coming out next week. So we will definitely have to slide in a Note 20 Ultra into these cases to give a look next time. All right. Well, thanks so much for watching. Follow me on Twitter at Android Stud, also on Instagram, and leave a comment down below. And that'll do it. Thanks so much for watching. Peace, party people.